So in order to get started with the Microsoft advertising, just head over to ads.microsoft.com or just type in Google Microsoft Ads. Now, prior to this year, it was Bing Ads. But they have changed it to Microsoft Ads. So all you need is an Outlook email would be a great option for you. You can even use Gmail. But use one of their email. They have Hotmail, they have Outlook, they have Live, but Outlook is the most popular. Now I am using a dummy account here because I am using a rented account for my actual campaigns. But for this course, I will be showing walk you through the features of Microsoft Ads using this dummy account. We will together create our campaigns and talk about many others. And it is similar to Google Ads in many ways. So for example, we have campaigns. Inside campaigns, we have ad groups, and then we have ads and extensions, and then assets, landing pages, keywords. So if you click on one of the campaigns, then you can go inside the campaign data. And now we are seeing all the data from inside the campaign. So once you select a campaign, then you can click on these features to just bring you the data you need. But one thing, when you create a Microsoft account, the first thing, it's unlike Google. Now, in Google Ads, it is optional to verify your account, but for a Microsoft Ads, you have to verify your location. So whether you are a personal advertiser or you are a company. So if you are ready, you can just go to a verification center and you verify. So either you have a business you want to verify, or you can verify as an individual. So it says, do you want to verify a business or individual? So if you go to verify your business, you go to this name. So you should choose your name as is exactly. Or you can go back to choose as an individual, and still it gives you that your business location, you have to provide documents that exactly match this address.